morning, everybody. I thought I'd show you today how to reset a Renault Tribus service indicator. Now, first thing you do is press your start-stop button. The cluster comes on like that. And then there's a little button here. You scroll through the menu by pressing it repeatedly until it comes to service. Alright, I've already reset this one, but I'm going to show you in any case. Right, there we go. Reset interval. Right, now press it in. And I think it takes about 5, 6, 7 seconds. There we go. It goes to that screen, and then you hold it in for another about 5 seconds. Just hold it in until it resets. There we go. Or reset. This one's interval is 15,000 kilometers. And then you just switch the ignition off, and that will then just save it. Hold your button, your start button in, switches it off. Perfect. All done.